COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Kit, Kaleido Gold, Saliva Swab. Check the lot number and expiration date prior to testing. Please read the instruction carefully before use and strictly execute the instruction. Among MAT COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Kit contains sample collection swab, extraction cap, extraction tube, extraction solution, test card, instruction for use, qualified certificate. Materials required but not provided: personal protective equipment per local recommendations, that is gown, lab coat, face mask, face shield, eye goggles and gloves, timer and biohazard container. Test procedure for COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Kit. Open the package and take out the test card to balance the room temperature 15 to 30 degrees prior to testing. Place the extraction tube on the workbench. Press the extraction solution bottle vertically downward to allow the extraction solution to drip freely into the extraction tube without touching the edge of the tube. Apply 6 drops, about 300 microliters of extraction solution to the extraction tube. Sample collecting steps of saliva specimen. Take out a sample collection swab. Insert the swab into the mouth cavity and place the swab head between upper and lower molar teeth. Let patient slightly bite the swab head for 10 seconds for saliva absorption. After saliva collection, gently take out the swab. Insert the swab into the extraction tube with the extraction solution added in advance. Swirl the swab at least 5 times. Remove the swab while squeezing the sides of the tube to extract the liquid from the swab. Press the cap tightly onto the tube. Dispose swabs according to biohazard waste disposal method. Apply 2 drops, about 80 microliters of extracted specimen to the specimen well of the test card. Start the timer. Read the results at 15 minutes, and the results after 20 minutes are no longer valid. Positive result of testing. Negative result of testing. Invalid result of testing. Cooperated with Chinese Academy of Sciences. MAT has developed rapid diagnostic test kits for COVID-19 with a monthly productivity of 15 million units.